Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this short tutorial on how to perform wudu. Wudu is a cleansing ritual that Muslims perform before prayer, and it involves washing certain parts of the body in a specific way. Step 1. Intentions. Make your intentions clear that you are performing wudu to cleanse yourself before prayer and to seek the pleasure of Allah. Step 2. Say Bismillah. Say Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Step 3. Wash hands. Wash your hands up to the wrist 3 times. Step 4. Rinse mouth and nose. Rinse your mouth and nose 3 times. Step 5. Wash face. Wash your face 3 times. Step 6. Wash arms. Wash your right arm up to the elbow 3 times, and then do the same with your left arm. Step 7. Wipe head and ears. Wipe your head and ears once with wet hands. Step 8. Wash feet. Wash your feet up to the ankle 3 times. Conclusion? That's it. You have now completed the process of wudu. It is important to perform wudu before every prayer. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this short tutorial.